Hey Insiders, I have just checked into the beautiful Wilderness Lodge here at Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, Florida. And I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a room tour. We're going to check this out because we have a water view room and I can't wait to show you the view. So here are some wardrobe storage. There's a rack in here for your luggage as well. Another cabinet with a safe. There's a steamer, and then we also have a coffee station. All the goods are in here. And then of course we have a cooler down here. And then turning back, so this is the front door. So then turning this direction, we are in the bathroom. So we have a double vanity. Really beautiful, beautiful bathroom. Glass shower. Lots of space. Have this pocket door here for some privacy to separate the sinks and the restroom, which we always love when we're sharing rooms with each other. And then this is a double queen water view room. So of course we have this added little touch here with the Mickey towels on the bed. 2 beds. We have a Hey Disney, which is always fun to play with in the room. It can tell you bedtime stories. It'll have a little pamphlet like this that will tell you all the cool things you can do with it. You can set alarms, you can ask it questions. Very cool. Love to see all of these chargers near the bed. So we can charge our Magic Band Plus, we can charge our phones, everything we need. Really cool little detail. Look, you see Chip and Dale up there. It's all in the details. Make sure you're looking at all the details when you come into your room. So we have this little sitting area over here. TV, dresser, more chargers, of course. And then let's go check out this view. So we have 2 chairs coming out here onto the balcony. Look at that view. This is absolutely beautiful. Again, this is a water view room. So not only can we see the lagoon on here, but we can see the beautiful pool. This right here is the back entrance into the lobby. And then you can see there's other balconies. We're facing other balconies over here. And we have 2 seats out here on our balcony to enjoy. I'm sure this is going to be just as fun at night as well, but the view is just beautiful. And then out here is where you can catch a boat over to Magic Kingdom.